Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we enable guys delete sound setting in our oppo phone device. Friends, we want to enable guys your phone delete sound settings. So how can you enable it today? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video, friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So guys, first of all guys, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it. Then click on guys your phone sound and vibration setting guys, tap here. Again scroll friends, you can see guys your more sound and haptic guys, tap here. Friends, you can see guys your delete sound setting guys. We will enable from this right side. After enable guys, how can you use? Friends, you can see guys if we delete any night notification remove, you can see your delete sound setting. And once you want to delete, like if we delete any icon means our app. So I will delete guys example for this game app uninstall. So when you can use your delete sound setting like that. So like that guy we can enable delete sound setting guys and we can use it. So bye bye friends.